This tapas was made in Barcelona. It's called the Bomba. If you're eating tapas on Las Ramblas, you are doing it wrong. In this episode, I'm taking you to the real neighborhood to show you the top 5 authentic tapas locals actually eat. Real Barcelona.
Gracias.
Hi, I'm Maher and I travel and explore the best street food around the world. Yalla, let's go. Starting the first tapas from Bar Jai-ca, a fantastic and an iconic place in Barcelona. Let's go inside. It's where locals come and dance every Sunday morning here. Let's see how the local chefs actually describe this place.
Que tiene muchos años y muy bueno, casi 80, 85 años. Le hace bien, tapas, todo el mundo viene aquí.
Tortilla de patatas?
Sí.
Pan con tomate? Americano. To the Sunday morning coffee in Barcelona. Alright, we are starting with the king of the Spanish breakfast. This is Spanish omelette. It's a really pretty dish. As you can see, the omelette has a really good and solid structure, but inside it's very gooey. It has all the potatoes inside as well, so I'm really keen to see how it tastes. And of course, you cannot leave Spain without trying the pan con tomate. This is bread with tomato. It's everywhere, and actually the tomato that comes on top, it's not only tomato, it's tomato, garlic, a very generous drizzle of olive oil and salt. I'm actually starting with a bite of the pan con tomate first. Abu. You can only see a red color on top, but actually it's salty, and the texture with a bit of warm bread and that cold tomato sauce on top, it's marrying the hot and warm worlds together. I love it. Very fresh bread and very salty sauce. I'm a savory person, and this one actually really hits my breakfast morning routine. Now let's go to the omelette. And this is our first bite. Wow, it's fantastic texture. A bit crispy on the outside, so you can, it's eggy flavor, it's thick, it's creamy, but inside you have a lot of potato texture that you have with that creamy egg yolk inside. Wow, that was really great. Although it has that round structure, inside I'm surprised how gooey it is. It's very thick and nice structure that you have inside. Oh, I like it. I like it. The next thing, I will actually get this bread and dip it with all the egg. So I get best of both worlds. All the inside part. Wow. Fantastic. This is a proof that for good and creamy texture egg, you don't need cheese, you don't need a lot of chewy stuff. Just the eggs, potatoes, the onions, along with this masterclass tomato bread. It's just fantastic. I'm gonna go one step more and get some of the eggs on the tomato bread. I'm really excited for this bite. This was just great taste. The tomatoes, some of my morning routine includes tomatoes and eggs, but this one with the garlic and that acidic taste that you have with this bread, it's just amazing. So now I'm ordering the third tapas for this video, and it's gonna be in the same bar because they have great ones, and that will be the croqueta. Croqueta is deep fried roll, and there are several fillings that you can have with it, some with ham, some only vegetarian. They had a special one which was croqueta with mushroom and truffle oil, and it's really a very small piece. This is tapas in Barcelona, you get one small pieces, so it's a really snack between your breakfast and dessert. Let's cut it open to see those truffle oil. I can smell the truffle oil. When the truffle oil flavor hits, it kind of covers everything else. I like it. It is very, very creamy inside, and you have that fried texture, the crunchy texture on the outside. You have the truffle oil, which is kind of giving a flavor to everything else. This is fantastic. All right, this is just the start. Now let's go next. For our second stop, we're trying the famous Barcelona bombs, and that is at La Bombeta. let's go. This tapas was made in Barcelona, actually in Barceloneta here in this region, and it's called the Bomba. These are fluffy potato balls and they are filled with spicy minced meat, and it's topped with alioli, which is garlic topping, and a very spicy sauce on top. It is a real bomb. It can explode in your mouth because it's a little bit cold from outside, but inside it's very hot, and when you put it in your mouth, it's supposed to explode. Kaboo! It's quite spicy when it hits your mouth, and the sauces outside actually are making it a little bit more spicier. But the texture, it's crispy outside, very fluffy and gooey inside, and you have some meat, that spicy meat, which is hitting your mouth with that sauce that you have coming all from the top. This dish was created here because a customer was quite in a hurry and he wanted to have something done very quickly for him. And when he tasted this, he said, "This is a bomb." And since then, it's called La Bomba. You don't have any jamon here. No ham, no jamon. Absolutely amazing. Now the second dish that I have here is a culinary Russian roulette, because this is pimientos, or I think pimientos de Padrón. These are all green peppers. 90% of them are mild and 10% spicy. And you can't know the difference until you taste them. So let's gamble and eat. So the way you should do it is that you should handle it by the stem here and then eat the whole thing. This is mild. So that's good. Let's try the other one. Let's try this big one. It's mild again. These are fried peppers. They have a bit of oily taste. There is a sprinkled salt on top. Small crunchiness in them, plus a very good saltiness from the salt that you have on top. I don't know how many should I eat before hitting a spicy one. We're still good. Okay, luckily I don't have anything spicy yet. I'm looking for a spicy one actually, because I want a bit of spiciness. But so far, they are very mild. Gracias. I like this place. It has very interesting vibe. It's written, they don't speak English, but they make damn good bombas. No Wi-Fi, speak with each other. It's really an iconic and very traditional place.
Un chupito.
They really don't speak English. He's trying to tell me alcohol or something, I don't know. Maybe... Oh, he's gonna give me a drink.
Hierbas, café. ¿Cuál le gusta más? Café.
Café.
Hierbas.
Café?
Café.
Huh? See that.
Salud.
Salud. Salud. Oh, amazing. Coffee liqueur. Reminding me of Christmas. Just what I needed on a Sunday afternoon. And a small chocolate bowl as well. Very hospitable. I like the guy. Where's the uncle? Who's over there? I think he has been here all his life and he wanted to invite me for a good liquor. Uncle, salud. Gracias.
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 Muy bien.
Forza Barça. Forza Barça?
Forza Barça.
Salud. This was my 5 must-try tapas from Barcelona. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel for more food and travel content. Until our next video, yalla, bye.